It's been about 6 months and I've had this intake on the Jeep. Just wanted to give you a quick update and let you know that I've not really experienced any issues at all coming from the intake. I was a little bit concerned when I installed it. Others have expressed that they were concerned about the heat soak that might happen. I live here in Central Florida where it's like 90+ degrees all year long, basically. And after 6 months of driving around with this, I installed it in November. It's now April. I have literally experienced zero issues with it at all. I did make sure that the last time I worked on my oil pressure sensor and coolant temperature sensor harness in there, I did put some heat shielding tape around that harness because I had issues with that before. I don't know if something chewed it or if those wires melted. So I wanted to make sure that was wrapped well with some thermal tape. So I did do that. That would be the thing that I'd be most concerned about, would be heat staying trapped underneath there with all that, the NOx sensor wiring harness and everything else. But 6 months later, no issues so far. I'll keep you updated if I do run into any issues with thermal temperatures getting too high underneath that intake. Everyone, if you enjoyed today's video, I would invite you to go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below right there on the right-hand corner. And if you felt that the products in today's video is something you might like to own yourself, there's a product link right up there to the right, upper right-hand corner, or down in the description will be a product link for you to purchase the product as well. Thank you very much for watching YouTube.